Good morning and good afternoon to one and all present here. On behalf of NyBerMan Bioinformatics, I'm glad to welcome you all to this international workshop on decoding proteomics with R programming, a gathering of students, researchers, and scientists dedicated to unraveling the intricate world of proteins. We have assembled here today from various corners of the scientific community, driven by our collective passion for understanding the fundamental building block of life. Here, I'm glad to announce the expectation of this workshop. We are delighted to announce that our workshop has a diverse international presence with 64 participants coming from different countries around the world. Our workshop is led by seasoned experts in the field of proteomics, offering you a valuable insights and guidance for the beginners, especially for undergraduate and postgraduate participants of our workshop.